Whose truck is this? I don't know. Let's go check it out. I wonder if they left it unlocked. Whose is it? It's Mars. I wonder where he put his keys.
You wanna go see if we can sneak them?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Think he'll notice?
I hope not.
Matt, why do you still have that helmet on?
Thinking what I'm thinking? What are we gonna tell him though?
Just tell him it's his car.
Perfect.
Let's go. Hey Mars.
Yeah.
I need to put my car in the garage and you're just blocking it. Can we see your keys?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Here.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Rookie mistake.
You talking
Two
about?
teenagers both have their licenses. Do the math.
Oh, man. Hey, wait up! Oh. Are you kidding me? Wait!
There he is!
No! Stop!
Oh my goodness, Mars, I didn't expect you to run out of the house like that. There's a towel for you.
Thank you.
It's pouring down rain.
Hello. It's the things you gotta do for these videos. Are they actually stealing my car?